Welcome to Sweet Bay Lane. I'm Tracy, and in this video I'm going to be showing you some quick last-minute DIY projects to help celebrate your upcoming Easter holiday. So let's go ahead and get started. Now for this DIY, we're going to be using those little wood ornament cutouts from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using the bunny shape and the egg shape. I'm going to be making a set of 6 that I'll lay out on my wax paper. Once you have your little ornaments laid out on your protected surface, you will paint them in your favorite colors. I'm going to be using a pink, a teal blue, and a taupe gray. And once we have our little cutouts painted, you'll come in with some blue painter's tape, and we're going to tape off some little sections on our eggs. And in those sections, we're going to be painting that with a black chalkboard paint. Once we have our chalkboard surfaces painted, we're going to then come in and embellish our little wood cutouts. And to do this, I'm going to be using various steps, but the first step is going to be taking this rubber stamper and I'm going to be stamping each individual wood cutout. Look at how beautiful that little pattern is on that wood cutout. I think it just looks adorable. Now you could actually just quit there with the stamps, but I'm going to move on and embellish mine with some pom-pom ribbon and some other various gingham ribbon that I've chosen. And then I'm going to add some hangers and some little bows. And once you have all that done, you can come in and personalize your little wood ornaments. Now the chalk surface is perfect for personalizing with names, etc. And you can use a regular standard piece of chalk like I'm doing, or you can also pick up a chalk pen at the Dollar Tree. Now you could just stop there and leave your little bunnies plain, but I'm going to personalize mine with some little stickers I had on hand. And you could use your Cricut or your Silhouette machine to add a really detailed personalization. But I wanted to just use these little stickers because most people have access to stickers. Not to mention, they are super quick and easy to use. Look at how those turned out. Oh my gosh, I think they look so pretty. Wouldn't those be pretty on place settings at your Easter dinner table? I think they would. Or tied to an Easter basket. I think they would be beautiful. And now we're going to be moving into a little bonus DIY. And that's going to be taking a 6-pack of the little egg cutout ornaments. And we're going to bring back in our rubber stamper, and we're just going to stamp the raw wood cutouts. And basically that's it. And then I just embellished them with some gold ribbon and some gold ribbon hangers. Hey, that wraps it up for these DIYs. Well, I want to give a huge shout out to all my subscribers. I'm almost to 1,000 and I'm so excited to have 1,000 of you as my friends. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so. We'd love to have you here at Sweet Bay Lane. Well, until next week, keep it crafty.